Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock happy dance interaction in Heartopia during the Maltese event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In the latest update, Heartopia has a collaboration with Maltese, Heartopia X Maltese, and I'm going to open up the event menu. And here you will see the Happy with Maltese event. Okay, during this event, you can unlock this happy dance interaction. You can use it with your friend. Okay, and this is the detailed information about this event. During the event, perform a face-to-face two-person interaction with your friend. Accumulate 7 days to receive the limited exclusive two-person action, which is the happy dance with that friend. So yeah, you just need to visit your friend. My friends are not online right now. You can use this interaction with your friend and you will get the happy dance interaction. But you need to accumulate 7 days. So every day during 7 days, you need to have this interaction. Okay, you can just tap the friend interaction list and you can interact with your friend. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the happy dance interaction in Heartopia X Maltese event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.